Greetings, everyone. Welcome to another episode of T.Gresh Realty Tours. I am your real estate queen, T.Gresh Realty. My name is Tanita Gresham. Today, we will be exploring the Cresswind community. This community does have 9 different floor plans, and today we are going to be witnessing the Ashford floor plan for those of you who are interested. This community does have a heated indoor pool and an outdoor pool for your summer days and summer nights, okay? There are so many amenities in this community that you would love. If you are into senior living, 55 and up, also be well aware that these communities also allow younger people into the neighborhood that are under 55. So even if you're 30, 35, 40, 45, or 50, and you would like to get into one of these communities, it is still possible because they do have a certain percentage level and a threshold of how many people can be under the age of 55 and still get into this nice, quiet, quaint community. So if you ever need some assistance with that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, your real estate queen. That is 980-428-2333. And thank you for those of you who have watched my videos and who have reached out to me. I greatly appreciate you all and your support. I figured that I would like to just give you a brief synopsis and a narrative as we go through the house. Of course, you can already see the features that are intertwined here. This layout, of course, is going to be located on a one-level layout for plenty of flexible mobility for those people that are higher up in age. Some people do have wheelchairs, some people have walkers. So this helps the mobility of moving around your home. Outside, you will see that there is a covered patio area with a ceiling fan. So for those late summer nights, you can still sit outside and still feel the breeze, even at night, you all. I think this is a nice community. I did have the pleasure of being taken on a tour by one of the clients that actually reside in the neighborhood. I hosted her open house for her. She's a very lovely young lady, and she's actually going to be selling because she wants to move closer to her son out in Valentine. So you all, if you are interested in listing your home to get into one of these senior homes, don't feel that you have to wait around. Don't hesitate. You can reach out to me at 980-428-2333. It is T.Gresh Realty. I can help put your home on the market if you are in the market to buy and or sell. I do service Charlotte and surrounding areas. However, I work with out-of-state clients as well. I have actually helped a lot of people relocate across the nation, you all. I do have a military background. My father was, in the military, and he's a veteran. So it was 17 years of service that he did dedicate to this country. Therefore, I am very familiarized with what it's like to relocate, pick up, pack up, and move, okay? So therefore, feel free to hit me up if you have any questions about that. I have relocated clients from out of state into Charlotte, and I am also assisting clients on a national level. We do have a client out in Dallas, Texas, and if you have anyone that or yourself would like to work with me and you need a realtor, I can actually refer you to someone in your area that would take the best care of you. All right. And as you can see, this home does feature an upstairs area where you can have a private full-size bathroom or a bed area for guest visitors and family or friends, whomever you may have over. So this home does offer plenty of functionality for those of you who are looking to downsize. This is a Coulter Home community, so the builder is Coulter Home. And right here, you're going to see the features of the amenities. I did do a little tour out here, and I thought it was just a great scenery. So you can see the camera panning around. You all, if you're interested, please feel free to reach out to me. They have plenty of amenities, including a dog trail, 2 dog parks, a walking trail, my apologies, a craft room, a library, an event space, a fitness center, and a pool table, so much more, a library. You all, the list goes on and on. They also have a bar area, just a very communal neighborhood where you can have, a quiet, nice knit community. Only minutes away from the interstate, plenty of restaurants, shopping, and dining, you all. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time, you all stay blessed.